Whether you create a note from scratch in Chartnote using snippets, dictate with voice, or generate a full visit summary with AI Scribe, transferring your documentation into DrChrono is quick and effortless with just one click. With our Chrome extension, you can seamlessly integrate Chartnote with DrChrono through intelligent mapping. This feature lets you connect sections of your Chartnote document directly to fields inside your DrChrono template, creating a smooth and efficient workflow. When you open the extension, you'll see all your notes listed here. The extension automatically detects if you have a patient chart open in DrChrono, making the integration process seamless. To get started, click here to set up your initial mapping. You only need to do this once per template. In this window, you'll see your Chartnote document sections on the left and the DrChrono fields on the right. Simply drag and drop a Chartnote section onto the corresponding DrChrono field. You can assign multiple sections to a single field and unmap them at any time. Once your mapping is complete, click Save and Apply. Your note will then transfer into DrChrono instantly. After this initial setup, transferring notes becomes effortless, just one click. Need to review or edit your mappings later? Simply click here. With intelligent mapping, Chartnote takes medical documentation efficiency to the next level. And we're continually expanding our integrations, so stay tuned for more updates.